Hello everyone. This is the recording made on October 18th, and I'm going to share with you the results of our scanning that we have just done, and we're looking for stocks on the US stock exchanges that are meeting Mark Minervini's trend template and are also showing some signs of VCP, i.e. volatility contraction patterns. So we have run the list, and here out of all the list, we're going to look only at those that we have flagged with different colors. So let's start with Bancorp. Very nice VCP of about 3.5%. Please always look at the size of the name. So we're talking here about $250 million. So rather thin name. So trade with caution. CBNK. Very similar contraction. Number of days the second week. One could think that this pullback in here was to catch the stop losses of the previous lows. Very nicely done. We are back into the contraction shape. CVLY looks like another financial institution, a regional bank, as you can see here from the trading view. Very similar pattern, same thing, very thin name, so be careful. Yet another one, financial conglomerate. So looks like it's a season for financial institutions. 4.5% contraction. I don't really like this, this kind of a wedging shape going down. But hey, we have this VCP that has formed. Quite the contrary, here we have a big name, so Netflix, that went out of this consolidation and is forming yet another VCP of. However, let me show you something else. When I was actually looking at Netflix weekly, at this time, I was actually thinking what we have here is a distribution phase following the Wyckoff pattern. But well, surprise, surprise, we went out of it from through the top. So sell position or short position would have not been triggered anyway. We're in an uptrend, so the distribution has been negated. Those kind of blue collar, sorry, it's late. Those kind of blue collar names are the names that have been called out last week as well. So we're still forming, we're still within the shape of the VCP, looking for the breakout. PPC, very similar. When was that? Wednesday? Yeah, ish Wednesday. This shakeout in here is very promising. Apologies. So we're looking for the breakout from that level of 2970 ish. RBB. Well, this is an example where breakout might have failed. We'll see what happens in here again, but we are in this 4.5% contraction in here. We had a breakout, but not really good breakout, and came all the way down, so and closed within the contraction. SFST, very nice one in here, forming at the top. So one could actually think about entering somewhere. Let me get my drawing tools. Like, look at this. 2% contraction. Very nice, very nice. Not a big name, so something definitely on my short list. Where are we? Daily, okay. SPB, a little bit higher than usual, 5%, but looking pretty nice. Look at this nice volume in here. Relatively big name, 4 billion. So there should be no issue with liquidity. And last but not least, Acceleron Pharma. This is very promising. Look at this move up. We moved from here to here in 28 days, 5.5 weeks, 60%. We have then corrected a little bit. Let's see how big this correction was. Oh, I can't see it actually. About 10% ish. So still meeting the criteria described by Mark. This wick in here, it's not really good with higher volume, but something that definitely should be watched and see if we see any breakout above what 177.50. That's it for today. So thank you for all the likes and all the comments you've left after last week. We'll see you next week and stay tuned. Enjoy.